how to watch YouTube on Apple CarPlay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to watch YouTube on Apple CarPlay. So first of all, simply open your mobile settings, and after that just simply go to the general over here and scroll down and tap on background app refresh, and over here just make sure that your background app refresh has set to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. And once that is done, just come back to the main setting menu, and over here, just simply click on the battery settings and make sure that your low power mode is off. And once these settings are tweaked, you are good to go. And after that, just simply open your Chrome browser or your Safari browser and simply search for rocketmodes.com. And this is the trusted website from where you can download the car YouTube, which will give you the access to the car Tube Plus that you can use. Go to the search bar and over here search for CarTube Plus, and you will be able to see the option right here. Now just simply click on this download icon and the application will be downloaded in your mobile device. And after that, just follow the on-screen instructions to install the application in your mobile device. And after that, you will be able to use the CarTube Plus in your car quite easily.